Assuming you have a player character set up, we're going to search for IA jump in the content browser, copy and paste it, and title it IA interact. Then we're going to go ahead and search for IMC default. After opening this, go ahead and add a default key mapping and select IA interact. Then you can press the keyboard icon and choose your interact key. Then navigate back to the content browser, right click, and we're going to be creating a blueprint interface. Then go ahead and title this BPI interact and open it. Then give the function a name, interact. In the details panel, go ahead and add one input. Name this hit component. Change the variable type to be primitive component object reference. This is if you want to interact with a specific component in a blueprint. Go ahead and open your player BP. Ignore the player's default logic and find an empty space. Right click and search for the enhanced action event interact. Drop down and off started, you're going to search for line trace by channel. From your components window, drag your player's camera into the event graph. Search for get world location and get world rotation. Off the return value of the get world rotation, you're going to drag off and search for get forward vector. Then you're going to search for a multiply. Go ahead and right click the input that's not connected and convert it to a float. Then once it's a float, you're going to want to promote it to variable and title it interaction distance. Make sure you're actually setting a default value. 350 is a good distance. Off the get world location, drag off, search for an add node, and connect the multiplies result to the B input. Go ahead and connect the get world location to the start and the adds result to the end. Drag off out hit and search for break hit result. Drag off line trace, and while holding left click, press B to make a branch. Off the hit actor of the break hit result, search for does implement interface node. Drop down, select your BPI interact. Connect this return value to the branch's condition. Drag off the true and search for interact message. Connect the break hit result hit component to the interact hit component, and then connect the hit actor to the target. Now we're going to be creating an object that we can interact with. So we're going to be creating a blueprint actor. To interact with objects, you need to locate the class settings tab in the top of your screen. In the details window, go to the implemented interfaces dropdown, select BPI interact. You'll see your interact interface inside the My Blueprint tab. Having a hit component input on the interact gives you way more flexibility because you're able to return the exact hit component as opposed to the whole actor. I'm checking if my interaction hits one of the static meshes in the blueprint. You can set variables to simulate physics through the interaction logic. It's all up to your preference. This is just a default destroy component. Now I should only be able to interact with the middle mesh. You can use get actor of class to get a reference to your player character. Then on interacting, you can fire logic directly through the player blueprint. If your interactable object has only one component, like a pickup object, you're okay to use destroy actor as long as you fire the logic before destroying.